Welcome to our social media video. Today, we're going to talk about the importance of showcasing diversity in your photography portfolio. As a professional photographer, it's not just about having a distinct style, but also about demonstrating your versatility and range. Let's dive into why this is so important. When it comes to your photography collection, adaptability and range are key. By including a diverse array of subjects, genres, and techniques, you're not only highlighting your ability to handle different projects, but also showcasing your creative vision and artistic versatility. Whether it's landscapes, portraits, events, or product photography, your portfolio should demonstrate your capacity to excel in various areas. This not only speaks volumes about your talent, but also positions you as a well-rounded photographer who can meet the diverse needs of clients. Clients highly value photographers who can seamlessly transition between different styles and subjects. By exhibiting your proficiency in capturing a variety of subjects and genres, you're effectively increasing your appeal to a broader client base. This opens up opportunities to work on a wide range of projects and collaborations, making you a sought-after professional in the competitive world of photography. When potential clients look at your portfolio, they're not just evaluating your technical skills. They're also looking for a photographer who can understand and cater to their unique needs and preferences. By offering a diverse array of work, you increase the chances of striking a chord with a broader audience. This variety showcases your ability to capture different aspects of a wedding day, making you a well-rounded choice. Similarly, a client in need of commercial photography services would value a portfolio that exhibits proficiency in both product photography and lifestyle imagery. This dual expertise demonstrates your versatility and competence in handling different types of projects, instilling confidence in potential clients about your capabilities. By showcasing a range of styles and subject matters, you position yourself as a photographer who can adapt to various requirements and deliver exceptional results across different genres. Diversity in your portfolio is not just about showcasing your technical skills, it's also about telling a story of your artistic journey and growth. When you experiment with a wide range of genres and techniques, you show potential clients that you're not afraid to take risks and constantly evolve as an artist. This willingness to step outside of your comfort zone and try new approaches sets you apart from photographers who are confined to a single style or subject matter. Embracing diversity in your portfolio is a catalyst for personal and professional growth. It encourages you to step out of your comfort zone, experiment with unconventional ideas, and refine your artistic vision. Each new subject or technique you explore presents a unique opportunity for learning and self-improvement. This continuous process of exploration keeps your creative spark alive and ensures that you stay relevant and competitive in a rapidly changing industry. Furthermore, embracing diversity in your photography collection fosters a deeper understanding of the world around you. By capturing different cultures, landscapes, and perspectives, you contribute to a more inclusive and interconnected global community. Your images become a powerful medium for storytelling and empathy, transcending boundaries and bridging gaps between people from diverse backgrounds. In conclusion, while having a defined photographic style is important, showcasing diversity in your portfolio is equally crucial. By including a variety of subjects, genres, and techniques, you attract a broader client base and position yourself as a versatile artist capable of meeting different client needs. So, don't hesitate to showcase the varied facets of your photography and let your versatility shine.